Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the iPad ready. Confirm the Pro model with Lidar, enable location and motion permissions, and pick a Lidar-capable app. Once done, open the app and choose the scan mode. Make sure the iPad camera and sensor have a clear line of sight. Hold the device steady at chest height, walk slowly around the subject, and start the live capture. Move deliberately so the sensor builds depth data. This first sweep establishes accurate reference geometry for the next steps. Once you have initial coverage, refine the scan by watching the live mesh or grid overlay. This shows gaps and noise so you can fill them. Move slower over fine details and overlap passes by about 20 to 30% to ensure consistent depth fusion. Capture multiple angles for undercuts and recesses. Place a known size object for scale if the app needs it. Make sure to toggle high resolution or HDR modes as needed to improve texture capture and point density. You finish by processing the scan. Run the app's cleanup tools to remove stray points, fill holes, and simplify the mesh if needed. This speeds exports. Once satisfied, export to the format required: obj, usts, or ply, verify scale and orientation, then save backups. If something goes wrong, rescan the troublesome area, restart the app or iPad, and check ambient lighting and reflective surfaces. These often break depth tracking. Finally, make one verification pass to confirm accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.